How to make money on YouTube without a million subscribers. YouTube stars are today's self-made celebrities, people who have earned an audience by creating content geared toward teaching, entertaining, reviewing, and being awesome on the internet. Most of these small screen celebs do what they do just to do it, to scratch an itch for creating things and being in front of an audience. Making money might not be your reason for starting a YouTube channel, but the opportunities to earn are a pleasant surprise once you realize how. 1. Who makes the most money on YouTube? 2. Who's going to watch your YouTube channel? 3. How to make money on YouTube? 4. How to sell without annoying your audience? 5. Are you ready to monetize your YouTube? Who makes the most money on YouTube? According to Forbes, these 10 channels were the top earners on YouTube from June 2017 to June 2018. 1. Ryan's World, 22 million, 22.4 million subscribers. 2. Jake Paul, 21.5 million, 19.7 million subscribers. 3. Dude Perfect, 20 million, 47.1 million subscribers. 4. DanTDM, 18.5 million, 22.3 million subscribers. 5. Jeffree Star, 18 million, 16.5 million subscribers. 6. Markiplier, 17.5 million, 24.5 million subscribers. 7. Vanos Gaming, 17 million, 24.9 million subscribers. 8. Jacksepticeye, 16 million, 23 million subscribers. 9. PewDiePie, 15.5 million, 102 million subscribers. 10. Logan Paul, 14.5 million, 19.9 million subscribers. This list might leave you with a lot of questions about how these YouTube stars earn. Do you get paid for uploading videos on YouTube? Content creators aren't paid by YouTube for the videos they upload. Neither are videos monetized by default. For you to start making money on YouTube, you have to enable monetization in your YouTube account settings. From there, you have options to join the YouTube Partners program or have your videos listed on YouTube Premium. How do you make money from YouTube? There are a few takeaways from Forbes' list, putting aside the millions of dollars made and subscribers gained. First, YouTube channels can be monetized even if they don't have millions of subscribers. Your earning potential isn't determined solely by the number of subscribers and views you have, but also by the level of engagement you generate, the niche you cater to, and the revenue channels you explore. That's not to say subscriber count doesn't matter. Check out our tip. Second, this list of top 10 earners might give you the impression that the millions of dollars made comes directly from YouTube. In fact, each of these channels has its own line of merchandise. These channels found and built their audiences first, before launching their own merchandise. If making money on YouTube is in your marketing plan, the first step is the same for everybody. Have a clear understanding of your target audience. Who's going to watch your YouTube channel? Building your own audience puts you in a great position to monetize content in a variety of ways. But you'll only be able to take full advantage of the opportunities you have if you understand the makeup of your audience. For many YouTubers looking to monetize, the more niche your channel, the better position you will be in to work with brands looking to target specific. Alternatively, you can partner with an existing merchandising network for creators, such as FTPA. Don't forget to be awesome. However, you will be competing with other YouTubers and have less control over adding products, offering discounts, integrating your content, and all the advantages that come with owning your own e-commerce site. You can even go a step further by manufacturing and selling your own unique products and powering your business through your YouTube channel, like Luxie Hair did to sell its hair extensions with hair-related how-to video tutorials. As a YouTuber who's already earned an audience, you'll have two advantages from the start that others. 1. A content engine that consistently drives traffic to your store. 2. Your audience's trust, which you've earned by regularly serving them your own brand of content for free. 3. Crowdfund your next creative project. When money is all that stands between an idea and its execution, crowdfunding is a good way to make it happen. Whether you need help buying better equipment, hiring actors, or covering other production costs, you can call upon your own audience and the crowdfunding community to pitch in if your idea is compelling enough. Many successful crowdfunded creative projects tend to offer a sneak peek or trailer that gets people excited, so consider shooting a video explaining your project or offering a taste of what it'll be like, such as this popular Kickstarter for Kung Fury, a short film. Popular crowdfunding sites with a proven track record of campaigns from YouTubers include Kickstarter, one of the most well-known crowdfunding sites, great for funding cool products and creative projects. Be sure to set an attainable funding goal because you'll only secure it if you actually meet the goal you set. Indiegogo, a Kickstarter alternative that offers more flexible funding options. 4. Let your audience support your work through fan funding. Similar to crowdfunding a project, you can also set up fan funding streams to source donations from your audience. As a creator, you are contributing your voice to the internet without forcing your audience to pay for admission. So, if you're offering good content, your audience might be inclined to support. Many fan funding platforms offer creators another place for people to discover their content and a way to engage their most loyal audience and reward them for their support. Wait, but why creates more long-form written content than YouTube videos, but is a great example of receiving support from the Patreon community. If you choose the crowdfunding route, be sure to follow a couple of best practices. First, create transparency around how the money will be spent. This will get your fanbase invested in your story or mission, and they will literally buy into the value of your content. Second, offer enticing rewards for better pledges. The more you can make donors feel like they're getting something exclusive for being a loyal fan, the more likely you are to get donations and higher pledges. Some popular YouTube Super Chat. Super Chat is a feature used when going live on YouTube. It lets you create a tipping jar for your viewers to donate whenever and however much they feel like contributing. You'll need to set up your YouTube account for advertising as outlined above. Patreon, the membership platform that makes it easy for creators to get paid. Fans can subscribe to their favorite creators for as little as $1 a month and receive exclusive rewards. Type E lets you get a combination of both one-off and recurring donations. 5. License your content to the media. If you happen to create a viral video with mass appeal, say, a funny clip featuring your dog, you can license your content in exchange for money. TV news outlets, morning shows, online news sites, and other creators might reach out about rights to use You can also list your videos in a marketplace, such as Jukin Media, where your content will be easier for the right people to find and purchase. 6. Work with brands as an influencer or affiliate. Influencer marketing is going to be one of the advertising bedrocks of the next decade. Gary Vaynerchuk brands are investing more and more in influencer marketing, spending their typically large advertising budgets on influencers who have already won the loyalty of their audiences. This creates a massive opportunity for you as a creator if you can. Brendan Gahan, a YouTube marketing expert and influencer, recommends establishing your baseline flat fee by looking at the number of views your videos typically get and multiplying it by 5 to 15 cents per view, which is around what many brands are willing to pay for views via YouTube ads. Depending on your leverage, your audience demographics, content quality, and how unique and profitable your niche is, you might be able to negotiate a better deal if the brand is a good fit. Becoming an influencer on YouTube is reported as the highest paid platform for brand partnerships, according to Ecker. But to give you an idea of what you can potentially charge, a mid-level influencer charges a brand around $20 per 1,000 subscribers or $2,000 per 100,000. The key when partnering